Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Norma and today I have for you my BoxyCharm unboxing try on for the month of July. So if you're interested in trying out these products with me, getting some first impressions, then please keep watching. So here's the box, and my favorite part is this little Hello Charmer thing right here. It's so cute. I'm a charmer. So I'm going to open it up, and I'm just going to pull the products out one by one. I'm going to scooch over here because I'm going to put a clip here of me trying this on, which is the Dr. Brandt's Needles No More Baggage. I don't know what the clip is really going to do for you guys, but I guess I don't even know that I really have, like, I have wrinkles under my eyes. I don't know if I'd consider this bags, but I don't sleep much, so maybe they are bags. I don't know. But yeah, so that's a little clip of me applying it real quick. So that's that one. It felt good. I mean, it was kind of cooling. I don't know if it's just because of the temperature here, like in my house where I have it. But yeah. So, all right, next thing I'm going to do, I guess I'll do my eyebrows just so I can look a little less weird. But so we have the Chelita. Taylor, you know who you are. You better comment down below when you hear your name. This is the Chela brand Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. And it's so freaking cute. I was so excited because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, obviously, like, I play with it. I didn't swatch it or use it or anything, but I just opened it to see, like, how it worked. And look, it's a little brush, right? A little brushy brush. And then you spin this part out and the product is in here. It's like a little tube of product. It's crazy. It's so dope. So I'm just gonna scoot all up in y'all's faces with my no eyebrows, and I'm gonna try this out. So I guess I just dip it right in. This is freaking dope though. I like this. This is like a cute, easy, look at that, I have an eyebrow. You could put it in your bag, you know, it's tiny, and you just pull it out to put some stuff on your face real quick. This is the perfect, like, travel minimal cuteness factor here. And then I'm just gonna go do. Honestly, it's not a glam brow that I'm going for, you know, so it's okay. So we're gonna give that product a 10 out of 10 because I like it. Yep, we like it. We like it. Good job, BoxyCharm. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Ooh, I like doing the prices, so let me backtrack, okay? Just really quick. The price of the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage was, pull out my little, they're only not this long, but that's pretty cool. $42, dude, and the box is $21, so you already had double the price of the box, so thank you. And then we have, what did I use next? Chela was $26. Chela Beauty, I like you, girl. Debbie's favorite. Thanks, Debbie. Thanks, Debbie. Girl. All right, let's see. Next we have this Note blush. Now, when I saw the color, I fell in love with it. And it's $12. Holla. Oh, I need to look up Note. Y'all sound, if this is good, y'all sound like the cheap brand up in here, okay? Not cheap, but, you know, affordable. An affordable brand. You guys sound like an affordable brand. Guys, look how pretty. It's called Desert Rose. I'm gonna put myself out of focus to show you guys. Focus on me. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Yes. I love it, guys. I love it. It's so cute. Now I need a blush brush. All right, so we're gonna try out this blush. Did I say it? Oh, I think it's gonna be super pigmented, and I just messed up and, like, forced it on my face, but, you know. Okay, I think I got some on my nose. There we go. Some of the fallout got on my nose. And now I'm looking. Oh my god. What did I do? Oh, I can fix it. I can fix it. I like it. It's a cute color. It's very rosy, very like I was frolicking in the sunflowers, and you know, the sun has beaten down on my cheeks a little bit. All right, next things next is, ooh, yes, this big old eyeshadow palette by Crown. Yes, yes, yours. And this shadow palette, before I show you it, runs for $30. And let's see, we're gonna start off with the lightest color. See how that look. Ooh, oh my God, this brush is heaven. Whoa, 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 guys, you, oh my God. This is like the softest eye brush I've ever had. Oh, I'm in love. Oh my God, thank you, Younique.
And then I'm going to go in with this orange looking one. Oh, la 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 la. Winner, winner! Chicken dinner! Wow. Crown definitely wins. I'm just going to take you in the corner. Okay, so maybe not in the corner color anymore, like
Last but not least is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara by Wander Beauty. And that one is a whopping $24. $24. And once I apply this, we will tally our total. All right, that's that. Let me bust out my handy dandy calculator for the totaling of the items. Yes, I can do math in my head. You want me to? You want me to? Okay, you want me to. 42, I'm gonna round. 42 and 30, 72, 24, 96, 108, 134. Let's see if I'm right. 42 plus 30 plus 24 plus 12 plus 26. What did I say? 134, yeah. Yeah, girl can do her math. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed trying on those products with me. Please like the video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.